This is Tony. I'm Dr. Red Spiritu. Today, this time I'm gonna sing the PIDC, Arizona Anthem. Ito'y awit ng pagkakaisa. I composed and wrote this song as a gift to you all, Filipinos, and to all Filipinos around the world. The message is the most important. And for those of you who doesn't understand Tagalog, this is the gist of the song. That even though we are in a foreign land, we still remember, long for and love our motherland, the Philippines. We come from a great race that we can be proud of to anyone. We Filipinos have an inherent